3, 2, and 1.
The Myra Event Centre Abuja recently played host to a wellness and lifestyle product expo as put together by QNET, a global direct selling brand committed to customer wellness, empowerment, and everyday lifestyle enhancement, as well deepening its connection with Nigerian consumers. It is not the first time the QNET team would be showcasing the company's impressive lineup of new and innovative lifestyle products and business opportunities to the Nigerian audience. Such expos have been held in the cities of Abuja and Lagos. From its fashion and lifestyle products to advanced air and water purifiers to energy pendants and nutritional supplements, patrons explored a wide range of QNET's products designed to boost the overall well-being of the people.
Yes, no, what we tested was that they are just ordinary water. What we did was to get the same bottle of water, the same one we got from rain, the same one we got from the well, the same one we got from all other sources that we got the water from, and tested them. We got the one, and one was restructured, one was not restructured, and we compared that result. Did you get that? What we are saying here is that the one that was not restructured has higher sodium level. The one that we restructured with Biodix 3 reduce the sodium level.
Now to the fashion corner, with spotlight on a stunning collection of luxury jewelry pieces of timeless designs, wristwatches among other beauty ornaments, which depict elegance and cultural flair.
Now, as I said most of the time, our products are not healing products, okay? So they don't heal, but they're your overall wellness to enhance that your body is healthy. But our jewelry also, something that I think we're very proud of is it's RJC, which is the Responsible Jewelry Council. So all our jewelry is sourced through responsible means, ethical means.
The QNET team says its next stop is the city of Lagos.